Hello, my name is Caleb Walls, and today I'll be presenting a way to stop people's content from being stolen by others online. Overview of the problem. The main issue I want to solve in this presentation is the issue of content theft online. People's content being used by others unfairly. It is an issue that's not talked about widely, and it shows because every day tons of people's content is stolen by others in many ways. How easy is it to do it? It is very easy to take others' content. For example, I could right now take a screenshot of someone else's recipe, for example, and post it as my own on social media. How it hurts content creators online. This stealing of others' content hurts content creators. It hurts them because they put lots of work into their content just to have it stolen, and it also makes social media and the internet as a whole a very toxic environment. Some people don't know they're stealing others' content. Some people also unknowingly steal others' content, which still hurts the content creator in the long run. Solutions tried before. Adding a watermark. One solution that is widely used is adding a watermark, like in the picture right here, to an image. This is widely used by both companies and individual content creators online. However, this can become redundant if the person stealing the content blocks the image using another image or simply edits it out. Creating a copyright image on content. Another solution is creating a copyright on your images or videos. This makes it illegal to steal your content. Proposal. My proposal is that an app that is similar to the Safe Assign feature on Blackboard that could give credit to the original creator of said content on social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media apps itself. This would be a software app that goes into the social media platforms, so you wouldn't have to download it separately on your phone. An example of this app being used would be a person posting a screenshot of an article on Facebook, for example. The app would then give a prompt asking if that person would like to give credit to the original creator of the app. If they select yes, it will give the credit by tagging the original creator if they have an account on the app. Or the app will give the link in the post below to the original content creator. How will it get done? Mass allowed by one company could cause corruption in the app. This app would not be paid for by one company in order to avoid the app being corrupted by politics. For example, if Facebook funded all of the app, it would not be able to be used to its full effect like it was intended for. Paid for by venture capitalists. This app would mainly be paid for by venture capitalists to ensure no corruption in the use of the app. The app would then be offered to be installed into social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Offered to social media platforms to be installed. This will be offered to be installed on social media platforms, but of course they could turn it down if they want to. Feasibility. This app is only possible if it's developed by the right people, and it cannot be corrupted by money and politics. This app, in order for this app to happen and work, it would have to not be sold out to only one company and or organization in order to prevent corruption and politics from getting in the way of the app's function. It cannot be sold out also because this will also make it redundant, like I said earlier. Call to action. What the app does, it prevents content theft. Plagiarizing and taking others' content is theft, just like taking someone else's physical possessions in real life. You should not use someone else's content online without their permission. Keeps integrity on social media. This app will prevent content theft, keep social media websites honest, and have integrity, and prevent corruption overall on social media platforms. For example, many YouTubers in America have their content stolen and copied by other YouTubers overseas. Thank you for listening and have a great day.